Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the feature on and giving people permission. In Endpoint, Manager, enable remote help, then assign the remote help technician role to your support accounts so they can connect. Once done, deploy the remote help client or tell the user to install it from Company Portal. Make sure devices are Azure AD joined or hybrid joined and have Intune management active. This makes the connection possible. Without proper roles and licenses, you cannot begin a session. Now you actually connect. In the Intune portal, select the user or device and choose Start Remote Help, or ask the user to open the Remote Help app and give you the session code. Both work. Once connected, use chat, file transfer, screen view, and annotation to diagnose. If you need admin rights, request elevation. The user grants one-time consent or you use admin consent workflows. Make sure you confirm identity and explain actions to the user before making system changes. Finish by properly closing the session and removing any temporary elevation you used. That preserves security. Afterwards, validate the fix with the user and record what you changed in your ticket system. If the device still misbehaves, check conditional access policies, network/firewall rules, and that the remote help feature and licenses are still active. One key troubleshooting tip: if connection fails, verify Azure AD join status, and that outbound ports to Microsoft remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.